Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to create group in Line Messenger. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Line Messenger app. Make sure you have already downloaded it. Now once you open up it will show you this kind of interface. Here tap on this icon on top most. So here tap on it. Now it will give you this option. In order to create a group, tap on create a group, and here you need to choose your friends. You will see your friends in this list. So once you select your friends, tap on next button. So here you need to give your group name. Let's say I want to give my group name friends. Now tap on create. Now when you tap on create, it will automatically create your group. So when you tap on create button, it will automatically create your group in Line. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.